This episode is sponsored by Rhino Shield. What's up guys, David here, and we already did the official phone book style drop test on the Galaxy S9, where the rear glass on the phone completely shattered after the very first drop. But today, we're gonna be doing another drop test, this time with the protection of Rhino Shield's full cover case in the solid suit. And just to kind of take things to the next level, instead of using our drop test machine, we're gonna be testing the case with the quickest production car on the planet in the Tesla Model S P100D. Because why the heck not? Now, we'll be testing the solid suit with the Galaxy S9 in this video, but the case is available for the Galaxy S9 Plus, as well as other phones like the Google Pixel 2 and the iPhone 10. So I'll be putting all the links and info you need down below in the description, but I'm excited, so let's go ahead and move on to the test. All right, so for this first test, we're gonna be doing something that probably could happen to a lot of people, and that you pull up in your car, you check your phone, you set it down in your lap, and then you forget about it, you get out of your car and smash. Let's go ahead and try that test. Minding my own business. Oh, screen is good, and the case only got a small little scuff right there, but one right there as well. But other than that, phone obviously still works, looks good, and we are ready to move on to the next test. For the second test, we're gonna be doing another situation that might happen, and that's, let's say you have a bunch of groceries, you walk into your car, you put your groceries away, you set your phone down, and while you're getting everything situated, you walk into your car, you get in, you forget about the phone, and you drive off, and hypothetically, you have the fastest and quickest production car in the world. What's gonna happen? All right. Jay, have you ever been driven inside of a Tesla? Have you ever been inside a Tesla with a full launch?
I've been in a Tesla before, but I haven't been in a Tesla that basically just launched from 0 to however fast would it go. How fast is it?
0 to 60 in 2.2 seconds.
So I'm gonna eat my lunch.
All right, you ready?
Beat me up, Scotty.
3, 2.
Oh, shit. Good Lord. Oh, that was not, I was not expecting that. That made me nervous. I'm glad I peed before that, because that would have caught me off guard.
That would have been kind of crazy, like that.
I almost choked on my tongue on that one, Jesus.
So let's see what happened to the phone, because that thing launched.
That hurt. That actually hurt a little bit.
Let's see what happened. It landed face front. Actually, I don't know how it landed, but it's face down right now. Turn this guy around. Oh, thank God. All right, so the phone is clearly working. The case got some more scuffs along the top right. I think Bixby's trying to launch, but so far, so good. So now we're gonna take it to the next level. Rhino Shield says that these cases can survive drops of at least 11 feet. So we're gonna actually test that theory. We got a ladder in here, and we're gonna drop this thing from just over 11 feet. Climb up this guy. So when I raise my arm up, we're talking about close to 12 feet. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! That is the protective screen cover that we had on. That's not the screen right here, so that's okay. Whew, that scared me for a second. So, as you can see, screen is still working. Oh no, Bixby, not again. All right, case just more dinged up than it was. Oh, okay, that's the drop point. That's where the impact hit. So you can see it got scuffed up for sure, but the Galaxy S9 and underneath, perfectly fine. The glass on the back, perfectly fine, was protected by the back cover here. And again, the screen is perfectly fine. So that's a pass. All right, the phone was able to survive the lap toss, the trunk launch, and the 11.5-foot drop from the ladder. It only leaves me with one option, right? Got the car, got the case on the phone, so we're just gonna go ahead and toss this thing out the window. Is it gonna survive? Probably not, considering that, if you drop a phone from 11 feet, the impact at which and the speed at which the phone's gonna hit the ground is gonna be a lot less than the speed we're gonna be throwing it at. So let's see what happens. It's gonna kind of frisbee it out the window and try not to hit our camera operator. I'm gonna have to push it a little, just a little bit. So actually that was like around 60 miles an hour, I think. I don't even know where the phone is. Watch I run it over. Is that it? Oh yeah, that's it. I don't know. Like the clack it made when I hit the floor. If it survives, I'd be very, very surprised. Oh no. Oh no, I don't know. Okay. All right, so it looks like the impact, the case kind of came off a little bit, but surprisingly at 60 miles an hour, the phone still works. So we got a crack right here. I'm assuming that was the impact. Oh my God, look at that, it's just shredded. I'm actually really surprised it survived. I don't know, that is insane. So actually, you know what, see what the glass looks like on the back. So the glass in the back is good. The front, it's fully functional. Wow. And we didn't actually have the screen protector on for that test. Oh my gosh, so you got more damage there. It's turned off screen. So, moral of the story, guys, is the phone can survive a drop when you have the Rhino Shield case on here, the solid suits. But do you want to do it when you're driving 60 miles an hour? Probably not. 11-foot ladder, you might be okay. But for most of your daily drops, you're gonna be fine. I'm really impressed with this case. So anyways, that is it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the very next episode.